Hi, this is Kaisar from Rank Ninja. Today I'll show you how you can connect your website with Google Analytics 4. I'll show you the most easiest and efficient way to connect your website with Google Analytics 4. Google Analytics is a free tool provided by Google. It helps to measure your website traffic. So let's get started. Today I'll show you connecting this site with Google Analytics 4. And the method I will show, it will not slow down your website because I will use Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager is also a free tool provided by Google which enable to inject code externally to your website. It actually inject different marketing codes like Facebook Pixel code, Google Analytics code, Google AdWord or Google Ads code, and more. So before starting, you have to create an account from analytics.google.com, and it is easy. You just need to have a Gmail account. Okay. After creating account, you will find that you have to create a property. You can put any name. Here I put it no real site xyz web property. I have put this name relevant to this site URL. It is always a good practice to name with relevance. Okay, so we are tracking website. So first we have to create a data stream, and the data stream for website. So click here website, and it will ask for the URL, and the URL is, and you have to erase this, and stream name you may put it stream. Okay, now create stream. After creating stream, you can find this page. We just need, okay, it will also show some manual for installation, but I am closing it for now. It will show a measurement ID, and you will be needed this ID. Just copy it, close. If you close this data stream, then you have to go admin and select data stream and select your desired data stream. You will get the measurement ID again. So let's copy it. Come back to Google Tag Manager workspace. Anyway, if you do not know how to install Google Tag Manager in your website, you can check out my previous video. The link is in the description. Okay. First, you have to create a tag, new tag, and the tag type will be Google Analytics, and it will be Google Tag. Load the Google tag associated with your Google Analytics stream. Okay, select it. Tag ID. This tag ID is actually that measurement ID. You can paste it here, but it will be needed frequently in future for tracking page visitor or add to cart or any other event tracking. So you can create a variable and put this ID there so that we can reuse this ID. So discard and come to variable, and okay, already I have created a variable. I am deleting. Okay, click new, and the variable type will be constant, and the value will be the measurement ID. You need to cross check this one. Okay, and the variable name will be GA4, measurement ID. Okay, now get back to tags and click new and select Google Analytics, Google tag and type two starting curly braces and it will load a list and here find out GA4 measurement ID. Okay, trigger should be all pages and the name will be maybe GA4 base config tag. Okay. Now click save, submit and publish. You have to remember that if you make a single change in tag manager then you have to publish changes, otherwise it will not affect. Okay, now check it, review, connect. Look, the GA4 base config tag has been fired for one time. If I change this page, then it will be fired for two times. Okay, now let's check with Google Analytics report, maybe real time. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to show the user in Google Analytics because we have just connected this data stream with our website. So let's wait and in this time also browse some pages. So that it can take effect. Look, here it is showing one visitor and this is the one visitor. So our website has been connected with Google Analytics 4 successfully and the method I showed you to this video tutorial, it will not slow down your website because the code is managed externally from Google Tag Manager. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. It really inspired me to create more useful video for you. Also, if you face any problem, you can contact with me. You'll find my contact details in the video description below. You can also check the contact page of my website rankninja.com. Here is my WhatsApp number. Thank you.